Hello friends, today we are going to learn the basic knowledge of capacitor. It's one of the most important components in electronics. If you are a beginner and want to understand capacitor basic in an easy way, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First, let's understand what is a capacitor. A capacitor is a passive electronic component that stores electrical energy for a short period of time. It is made of two conductive plates separated by an insulating material called a dielectric. When voltage is applied across the capacitor, electrical charges accumulated on the plates and energy is stored in the form of an electric field. A capacitor blocks DC current and allows AC current to pass through. Because of this property, capacitors are widely used in filtering, coupling, decoupling, timing, and power supply circuits. This is the symbol of capacitor. The ability of a capacitor to store charge is called capacitance. It is measured in farad. In practical electronics, capacitance is commonly measured in microfarads, nanofarads, and picofarads. Now let's understand the working principle of a capacitor. It's based on storing electrical energy in the form of an electric field. When a voltage source is connected to a capacitor, electrons start accumulating on one plate, while electron decreases on other plates. As a result, one plate becomes negatively charged and the other plate becomes positively charged. Since a dielectric material is present between the two plates, the charges cannot flow directly through the capacitor. Instead, energy is stored between the plates in the form of an electric field. When the voltage source is removed or the load is connected, the capacitor releases the stored energy. This process is called discharging. So, a capacitor mainly works through two processes, charging and discharging. Now, let's talk about the types of capacitor. Capacitors are mainly divided into two categories: polarized capacitor and non-polarized capacitor. First, polarized capacitor. These capacitors have positive and negative terminals, so they must be connected with correct polarity in a circuit. If connected incorrectly, the capacitor may get damaged or even explode. Examples of polarized capacitor are electrolytic capacitor and tantalum capacitor. These capacitors are mainly used in power supply filtering and energy storage application. Next, non-polarized capacitor. These capacitors do not have fixed polarity, so they can be connected in any direction in a circuit. Examples of a non-polarized capacitor are ceramic capacitor and polyester capacitor and mica capacitor. These capacitors are commonly used in coupling, decoupling, timing, and high-frequency circuits. Now, the uses of capacitor in electronic circuit. Capacitors are used in many electronic devices for different purposes. First, filtering. Capacitors are used to remove unwanted noise and smooth the output voltage in power supply circuits. Second, coupling. Capacitors allow AC signal to pass from one stage of a circuit to another while blocking DC components. Next, decoupling or bypassing. Capacitor help stabilize voltage and reduce noise in electronic circuit. Fourth, timing circuit. Capacitors are used with resistor to create time delay circuits such as a timer and oscillator. Fifth, energy storage. Capacitor can store electrical energy and release it quickly when needed. Capacitors are also used in motor starting circuit, audio systems, communication device, filters, and many other electronics applications. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you learned something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more electronics related videos.